The biggest innovation in cocktail technology since the umbrella, the cocktail umbrella. Just said the umbrella. Just an umbrella is a pretty big innovation. In addition to non-alcoholic cocktails, Free Spirits enables you to make low-alcohol cocktails. We call this splitting the base. We use both foolproof and non-alcoholic spirits together in the same cocktail, splitting what the recipe calls for 50-50. But you can do whatever ratio you like. We're ready. More hands. To demonstrate, we're going to make a half-proof old-fashioned. Now, normally an old-fashioned would have 2 ounces of foolproof bourbon, but here we're going to use 1 ounce of the foolproof and 1 ounce of the Spirit of Bourbon by Free Spirits. First of all, we're going to dash a little Angostura and orange bitters, 1/4 ounce of maple syrup to sweeten, and then 1 ounce each of foolproof and 0 proof bourbons. Drop a little ice in here, stir it up, strain it out over a nice clear big ice cube, finish it off with a peel of orange and just spray the zest over the top. And there we go, 1 half-proof old-fashioned. How did that look, all right?
Great.
Yeah?
There.
It's such a